Norfolk Southern operates a unique class of rebuilt locomotives known as the AC44C6M. These locomotives are rebuilt from older GE-9-44CW units that were originally built in the 1990s. Instead of retiring these locomotives, Norfolk Southern rebuilds them at the Juniata locomotive shops in Altoona, Pennsylvania. The goal of this rebuild program is to modernize the locomotives and improve performance while reducing costs compared to purchasing new engines. The designation AC44C6M describes the locomotive's key features. AC refers to alternating current traction motors. 44 represents 4,400 horsepower. C6 indicates 6 powered axles. M stands for modified. Each AC44C6M produces 4,400 horsepower using a GE 7FDL 16-cylinder diesel engine. The locomotive is approximately 73 feet in length and weighs about 432,000 pounds. It has a top speed of approximately 70 miles per hour. One of the most important upgrades in this rebuild is the use of AC traction motors. Compared to the original DC motors, AC traction provides better adhesion and improved pulling power, especially at low speeds. This makes the AC44C6M well-suited for hauling heavy freight trains such as coal trains, mixed freight, and long manifest trains. In addition to traction upgrades, Norfolk Southern improved the locomotives with modern electronics, updated control systems, and enhanced cab safety features. Despite these upgrades, the locomotives retain much of the original Dash 9 exterior appearance. This gives them a combination of classic design and modern performance. Today, AC44C6M locomotives can be found across the Norfolk Southern system. They are used in a wide variety of service roles, including mainline freight and yard operations. The AC44C6M represents Norfolk Southern's approach to extending the life of older locomotives while improving efficiency and capability. It is a practical and powerful example of how rebuilding existing equipment can meet the demands of modern railroading